Hotjet A is the most compact welding tool. With advanced technology, saves up to 25% of working time in detail work.
We are excited to introduce the Hotjet 500A to you today. The tool comes in a robust tool case. Inside the tool case we have a flyer for the 5-year warranty. We have our safety instructions. Also a quick guide is inside of the tool case, and for sure also our new device, the Hotjet 500A. To present the Hotjet 500A in the best possible way, we show you the matching and recommended accessories. When it comes to hand tools, the required accessories depend on the application. In roofing, a wide slot nozzle is typically used in combination with a hand pressure roller. For plastic fabrication, an M14 adapter nozzle with a matching drawing nozzle is recommended. The drawing nozzle combines both tacking and welding functions. For tight or hard to reach areas, angular adapters can be used. To prepare the workplace, Leister scrapers are a reliable choice. Additionally, the Seam Weld Tester multi-tool is a practical accessory, not only for testing weld seams, but also for tightening nozzles. The Hotjet 302A is the direct replacement for the Hotjet S. It is less powerful than the Hotjet 500A, but for its main application in the electronics industry, for tasks like shrinking and soldering, it's the perfect tool. The nozzle portfolio of the Hotjet S is fully compatible with the Hotjet 302A. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Hotjet 500A. We will have a look at its key features and also the main application areas. The Hotjet features a compact, slim design, about 30% shorter than Triac or similar tools. It is also 45% lighter, helping to reduce operator fatigue. The Hotjet A is the most compact welding tool on the market, designed for a wide range of applications. By using a Triac for high-performance tasks where space is not limited, and the Hotjet 500A as a complementary tool for detailed work and confined spaces, overall productivity will be increased, allowing the investment to pay off quickly. The heating tube has the same diameter as the Triac, ensuring full compatibility with the existing nozzle portfolio. The Hotjet 500A features dual closed-loop control, a precise temperature control loop for stable heat, combined with a second loop that detects back pressure and automatically regulates airflow to keep it constant. Even under undervoltage, both temperature and airflow remain stable, ensuring consistent and reliable results. The Hotjet A is built for reliability with durable components and a maintenance-free brushless motor delivering over 10,000 hours of runtime. It reduces downtime and lowers total cost of ownership, with repair costs cut by up to 40%. Combined with the 5-year warranty, this gives you a true worry-free package. Safety is a key aspect, both in industrial environments but also on construction site. That's why the Hotjet A includes integrated safety features. These include restart protection to prevent unintended startup after power loss, and an auto shutdown after cooldown, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The Hotjet A features a smart eco mode that automatically optimizes energy use. It reduces energy costs on indoor mains power, lowers noise in closed spaces, and saves power when used with battery generators outdoors. Now to the user interface. The Hotjet A offers an intuitive control panel All relevant welding parameters are visible at a glance, even during the welding process. One of the main applications of the Hot Jet A is roofing detail work, including welding corners and gutters, repairing roofing membranes and working in overhead or confined spaces. Another key application is plastic fabrication, including work on tanks and pipes, containers with internal piping, as well as detail welding and repair tasks. Leicester also offers you a wide range of additional services to support you, including a worldwide service and repair network, as well as a training program to ensure your team is fully qualified to fulfill your job. Assign a team to use the Hot Jet as a complementary tool when it comes to detail work for 1 week. Compare the time required with your standard setup and see how it boosts your efficiency, especially when it comes to tight spaces and high precision applications. Thank you for choosing Leicester.